Students, some topic we have not completed. Let us complete that topics. That is resistors in series. Let us study first the diagram. Now these are the resistors which are been in series R1, R2, R3. This is the key, this is the cell, this is the ammeter, this is the voltmeter. This is the circuit diagram. So let us see what is it. You can see that the end of three resistors are connected so that they follow one after the another in single line. तिन्ही रजिस्टर असे एकमेकांना जोडले आहेत की एका पाठी एक असे ते एकमेकांना फॉलो करतात आणि एकाच लाईनमध्ये तिन्ही रजिस्टर्स आहेत. These resistors are said to be connected in series. In such a arrangement, the same current flow through each resistor. अशा अरेंजमेंटमध्ये सेम करंट प्रत्येक रजिस्टरमधनं फ्लो होतो. The value of current is I and the potential difference between C and D is V. Potential difference between C and D is V. So, the three resistors R1, R2, R3 are connected in series in the circuit. Let the voltage across them be V1, V2 and V3. त्यांच्यामधला व्होल्टेज काय आहे V1, V2 आणि V3 respectively. Then V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. This is our first equation. If Rs, S is for series, is effective resistance between C and D, then according to Ohm's law, V is equal to I R S. V1 is equal to I R1, V2 is equal to I R2 and V3 is equal to I R3. Substituting this all in equation 1 we get, see, I Rs is equal to I R1 plus I R2 plus I R3. So I and this I will be get cancelled. So what will happen? Rs is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. If n resistors are connected in series, then Rs is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus up to Rn, that is n number of resistors we can connect in series. So you must have understood, in this formula we have substituted the value of V. That was V's value was I R S. So V1 is equal to I R1, V2 was I R2, V3 was I R3. We had substituted in this equation, and by making I common, I ला जर आपण कॉमन काढला तर काय होणार, I हा I आणि हा I कट होणार आणि मग काय होणार, Rs is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Let us see here what happens. I, that is Rs, is equal to I आपण कॉमन घेतला. So R1 plus R2 plus R3. So this I and this I gets cancelled. So Rs is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So I think you must have understood the equation of resistors in series.